Hello Dovan Year 6, it's Miss Banks here. Welcome back to our online learning. Today in our maths lesson we're going to be looking at how to draw triangles. Let's firstly have a quick recap from lesson 8 where we learnt or we were reminded that how we can show parallel sides. So here we can see that sides AB, so that is the line between point A and B, and also line DC are parallel. That means if we kept those lines going even forever and ever, they would never meet. And using these little arrows can show that the lines are parallel. If we look at the orange quadrilateral, we can see that lines PQ and also SR are parallel. Today we're combining two lessons, lesson 9 and lesson 10. Let's have a look at the in focus task for lesson 9. Lulu needs to draw the above triangle and it says explain to Lulu how she can do it. So in the let's learn, it clearly shows the steps how to do it. And I'm aware that at home, most of you will not probably have a protractor and things, so that's why I've combined the two lessons. So you're just going to do certain tasks from both. But let's have a look how we would go about drawing the triangle. Really important in step 1 that we are using a ruler and a pencil. So it says on the left hand side that it's 6 centimetres. So step 1 is to draw a straight line 6 centimetres long using a ruler. It's got to be really accurate. In an exam situation, you will literally have 1 millimetre leeway, 1 or 2. So you cannot just be blasé about this. It's got to be really accurate. Step 2, place a protractor to measure the 30 degrees and you mark X to show the 30 degrees. So where it is, you measure it and you put a little cross. Step 4, do the same at B, put a cross. And then step 5, we continue the two lines until they meet. And then we mark that as point C. So that is how we can accurately draw a triangle. Our in focus task for lesson 10 is showing Ruby, Sam and Amira they draw this triangle, but their triangles look different and it says, is this possible? And it is possible and we're going to find out why. So Ruby draws her triangle and she uses a scale of 1 to 1, and this is introducing you to ratio. So a ratio of 1 to 1 or a scale of 1 to 1 means that 1 centimetre on the diagram represents 1 centimetre on the triangle. Sam draws his triangle, but he uses a scale of 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 means 1 centimetre on the diagram represents 2 centimetres on the triangle. So you can see that his triangle is smaller. And Amira uses a scale of 1 to 4. So that means that 1 centimetre on the diagram represents 4 centimetres on the triangle. So on the side where Amira said it's 8 centimetres, you can clearly see that's not actually 8 centimetres. Using the scale of 1 to 4, that will only measure 2 centimetres because she's using the scale of 1 to 4. So 1 centimetre on the diagram represents 4 centimetres on the triangle. 8 divided by 4 is 2. We say that the three triangles are similar. That is a mathematical term that's really important to know and understand. Okay, moving on to our guided practice. It says here, find the ratio of A to B. So, A is 4 centimetres, B is 8 centimetres. So you can see here that I've written it on the right-hand side, and a simple way to find what the ratio is to think, how have I got from A to B? What have I multiplied by to get from 4 to 8? and simply we know the answer is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore, the ratio of A to B is 1 to 2. Okay, so this is quite a straightforward example, hopefully, but what is really important to remember is that we write the ratios the correct way round. If it said what is the ratio of B to A, we would not be writing 1 to 2, we would be writing 2 to 1. So make sure you're really careful as to which way you're writing it around. If it says the ratio of A to B, your number in front of the colon is going to be A and the number after is going to be B. In your workbook, it says the triangles below are similar. We now know what that term means. Find the value of X. So what I've done here is I've looked at the bottom two numbers and I've said 5 times what gives me 10? And the answer is 2. So I also need to do X multiplied by 2. I know is going to give me 6. So I can then do 6 divided by 2, which gives me 3. So X will equal 3. So what I'm doing is I'm using the values that I've already got, the 5 and the 10. I find out what I have to do to get from 5 to 10, that's multiply it by 2. And then I have to think X times 2 is 6. So X has got to be 3 because 3 times 2 is 6. I hope that video has helped you understand about ratio, also about what similar means as a mathematical term. Good luck with your maths work today. Any problems, let me know. Enjoy and stay tuned for the new video soon. Bye.